Fort Lauderdale Beach in South Florida, just 30 miles north of Miami. A stretch of coastline with white beaches, clear water, and plenty of space to enjoy. The Palm Line promenade stretches for miles, perfect for walking, biking, or just spending time outdoors. It's easily accessible, walkable, and lined with restaurants, shops, and shaded spots to rest. Whether you're here for an hour or the whole day, it's built to welcome everyone. People come and go, enjoying volleyball games, swimming, and the sun. Visitors find their spots on the beach. Back in the early 90s, this area was mostly sand dunes and mangroves. But as the city grew, the beach became the heart of Fort Lauderdale, attracting everything from spring breakers in the 60s to families, artists, and locals who made it their own. During World War II, Fort Lauderdale's beaches were used to train soldiers for coastal landings, preparing troops for battles overseas. The coastline has played many roles, both for leisure and for the service. The beach became the center of it all. Through decades of change, this stretch of sand stayed constant. It's where the city meets the sea. And when you get hungry, you don't have to go far. Most places are casual, fresh fish sandwiches, cold drinks, and outdoor tables that let you stay in the breeze. Just a few blocks west is the Intercoastal Waterway, another side of Fort Lauderdale that flows between the city. Canals instead of roads, boats instead of traffic. It's not a place you rush through. It's where people slow down to walk, to breathe, to take in the view. For locals, for visitors, or anyone just passing through, this is Fort Lauderdale Beach. Hi, thank you for watching another of my video. My name is Václav and I'm the founder of BlueLens production. And today in this video, I wanted to show you the story of Fort Lauderdale Beach. That's what I decided to capture because I've been living here by Fort Lauderdale almost 2 years now before living in the Florida Keys, and I wanted to capture this place. Because for me, it's special and it's a place that I always want to go to and I always love to come there because of the vibe, because of the atmosphere. It always feels like going to vacation, walking around the ocean, looking up around the palm trees. There's the restaurants, bars, you can stop to get a drink, to get some good food. There's pretty much everything you want. You can skate around the beach, you can bike around the beach. A lot of people run there in the morning, so it's very special. Usually during the weekdays it's not even that busy, so literally what I have done many times, just take a break from work or from filming. Sometimes I even film there, so I go there for work, which is even more special for me, and walk around the beach, and it's great. So I wanted to share this and a little bit, maybe for those who never visited Fort Lauderdale Beach, little bit bring it closer to you, show you behind where the yachts park, where's the marina. You can see the downtown Fort Lauderdale behind it, and it's very special. It's a very accessible beach, very easy to get to. If you're planning a trip to Fort Lauderdale, I definitely recommend to go check it out because it's amazing. If you actually get a chance to stay in Fort Lauderdale Beach, even better. Like, you're right at the beach. Many hotels there have like the bridge, you can cross the road and you're going straight to the beach. Pools usually high up, so you're seeing the ocean. Do you have many rooftop bars there? So it's a very special place. I think it's definitely worth visiting here in South Florida. And there's also different activities happening. There's different parks, and usually on the weekends, I think it's Saturday morning, they have like farmers market, so people take out their booths, they're selling different stuff like clothes, some souvenirs, food, so it's very great atmosphere too. Then there's happening festivals like the Tortuga Festival. You probably heard of that one. It's very big. It's usually in the spring, and I think it's usually February, March, something like that, and that one's very popular right on the beach. This year and last year, actually, what happened on the Las Olas, there was the Panthers parade. The NHL ice hockey team, they won the Stanley Cup, so the parade was right at the street, which was pretty cool too. I was able to go last year and this year to see that too. There was so many people. It was actually on the street coming down, then on the beach, so that's pretty cool too. So definitely worth it. Another thing that you could actually do while you're visiting, there's the water taxi. Maybe you saw it in the drone footage, the yellow boats that come on the canals. Those are water taxis, and they can take you all different locations around Fort Lauderdale. So you can get on the Fort Lauderdale Beach, go like downtown or like different stop. You can definitely check them out online. Or maybe you're staying in downtown, you don't want to take Uber or drive by yourself to the beach. It's nicer to go on the water, take the water taxi, come to the beach, spend the day there, and you can go back to the Fort Lauderdale downtown. So definitely a great place to visit. And yeah, most of the footage that you saw is something that I've been capturing some of the time. It's not that I captured everything in one day, so you can see maybe like different colors of the water or like the sky. So definitely look into that if you want to go watch it again, because even when I was editing it, some of the footage is kind of from the winter, some is spring. Since I live close, I'm always able to go there, so I love to capture it once I get a chance to go. So that's pretty much it. If you are thinking about visiting Fort Lauderdale Beach, definitely do it. If you have actually visited Fort Lauderdale Beach, leave a comment down below and let me know how you like it and what did you like. And this is something that I'm planning to do more of videos around Florida. So definitely comment a place in Florida that you think I should visit and I should do the video about. I try to put in the voiceover some little bit of like history fact to make it more interesting. So let me know if you caught that and if you like it. And leave down the comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, maybe share it from somebody who would like this, and I will see you at the next video.